Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 22 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the soo'ae Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. It is hydrating and moisturizing. This is a premium charcoal mask. The powerful purifying and rejuvenating power of charcoal is concentrated in a refreshing sheet mask formulated with unique plant extracts and hydraulic acid to replenish moisture and soothe skin. Charcoal is a renowned anti-inflammatory known to purify and brighten the skin, with the added benefits of cultured green tea extract and green caviar extract. One use instantly soothes, hydrates, and boosts skin with moisture and improves elasticity for beautiful, smooth, supple, and radiant skin. Soo'ae's unique blend of plant extracts are scientifically formulated with herbs based on the wisdom of traditional Korean herbal medicine, ensuring effective synergy and safety, helping to improve the skin's condition. Youthful health and suppleness is restored with a single application. So it says, cleanse the skin thoroughly and apply toner and or serum. Got the toner in here. Been keeping it in here so I don't forget to use it. Apply mask to the face, carefully lining holes in eyes and mouth. Soothe out any air pockets with fingertips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove mask. Take remaining essence and pat into skin. When used in daytime, apply sun protection after use. So this is nice. We won't have to worry about that last step. So let me get my toner put on so we do not forget. If you've seen my last couple videos, I had a mishap with the sunless tanner on my hand, so my hands look really orange right now, really scary. I am having quite the breakout situation on my chin, mouth area. So I'm really hoping that this kind of helps soothe that, because it says that it's anti-inflammatory, the charcoal part is. So I'm hoping that kind of helps soothe this area that's going on here, because it's not very comfortable, I gotta tell you. So let's get this cut open. I'm assuming this mask is going to be black. And I assumed correctly. I can tell that it's got a lot of serum on it. Get the nose straightened out. And now to apply it to my face. Oh, it's nice and cold. Well, it already feels really good. It doesn't smell funny, so that's good. Actually, it kind of smells good. Let's get any remaining serum out of here. There really wasn't a lot in there. Yeah, there was like hardly any in there at all. It's impressive. That means it all stayed on the mask. Alright, so I've set my timer for 20 minutes and we will be back when it's time to take it off. Wish me luck, because I have really high hopes for this mask to work. Alright, so we are back. It has been probably about 30 minutes. I really wanted to let this set on for as long as I could, just to really let all of the serum really sink into my skin. And I kind of feel that that 15-20 minutes is just kind of a suggestion. I don't think that there's anything wrong with letting it sit on your skin for longer. But it does feel like it's pretty much dry. I mean, it feels it on the outside, but not on the inside. And I don't think you're supposed to wash this off. I think you let it stay on. Yeah, so pat the remaining serum into your skin. I've never really felt like patting does much, so I have no problem with rubbing it into my skin. So my biggest hope was that this would really help out with my redness. I still got some redness going on. And once again, the claims of this mask are that it's purifying, it's hydrating, it's moisturizing, it's supposed to be anti-inflammatory, which I can still see the redness on my skin. I'm especially kind of like looking at this one right here, and it still does feel tender. So yeah, I don't really think it helped out much with that. It does have green tea in it and green caviar, which I don't know what green caviar is, but I don't think I want to know. Yeah, so soothing, hydrating, and boosts skin with moisture and improves elasticity for beautifully smooth, supple, and radiant skin. So I definitely feel radiant. I definitely feel moisturized. So it's saying that charcoal is renowned for anti-inflammatory, known to purify and brighten the skin. So I can't say whether it purified my skin or not. I can say that I don't feel like it was anti-inflammatory just because the spot here is still kind of tender or whatever, but I do feel like my skin is brightened. So if that means that your skin is purified so it looks more bright, then I guess maybe it's done that. I kind of feel like that has more to do with your serum on the mask that kind of makes your skin look bright. Another thing is that it hydrates and moisturizes. I definitely feel hydrated. I definitely feel moisturized. Let's see here. What's something else that it claims? Improves elasticity because of the moisture. Yeah, I could see it helping out with that. And so it gives you smooth, supple, and radiant skin. It doesn't feel smooth right now. I think that's just because the serum is still wet. Maybe once it dried down it would feel more smooth. I definitely feel like I've got supple and radiant skin. I'll give it all of its claims except for the anti-inflammatory part because like I said, I still have my redness and that's still tender right there. Overall, I did like this mask. I would buy it again. I would use it again. Let me know down below if you've tried this out, if you're going to go pick it up. It's Walmart, $2.50. Hopefully they still have them there. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.